Hello. I just wanted to show you the farm so that you can see it. Uh, this is the outer road over here off the highway, right through there. That's the outer road next to the 71 highway there. And this is between Jasper and Lamar, Missouri. It's right about center of Jasper and Lamar, Missouri. Anyway, this is where like the road turns, and then we got right through here as a dirt road, and this is where our farm starts. Well, up here. Our farm starts. Our farm starts right up here. Here's the outer road up here, and our farm starts uh, right there and goes across here, and then some land here. We got the big field back here in the back, and big field in the front, big field down here in the bottom by the river that goes through it. And our land is all this up here, and this down across here, and up uh, up through here, the down along the river, and down where my cruiser is. Uh, and anyway, this is the farm, and this is all timber here. This is all timber, timber up in here, timber over here, all down and around through here. That's timber, and uh, this is all our land down all through here, down through here, up through here, down on this side of the river, on that side of the river. All this through here is timberland. And let me see here. I'll try to take you all the way to Lamar. This is 71 highway. Now this is the outer road that you take from Lamar. This outer road here, and this goes clear up into here, and then there's a Heartland horseshoeing school up there, and then here's the Lamar, Missouri, right through here. This is all Lamar, Missouri. You just get off. If you're headed south, you get off the highway, go east to this first road here, which is the outer road, and go all the way down to the dead end. And then if you're going south, you just go east to the first road over here, and to the dead end. Same thing. Uh, let's see here. Let's see what else they got. They got landmarked here. Whoa, we're getting too big. Whoa. Let's see what else they got landmarked for you to Truman Health Care and Rehab. Well, anyway, this is the south part. You want to go south when you get to Lamar on the outer road. Just go south, outer road, dead end. You can't miss it. Uh, this is getting close to our farm here. There we go. There's our farm where it says Spring River. All this through here, and on that side there, and all the way down through here, and down along the riverside here, all the way up to this dead end on the outer road. That's all of our land. It's 276 acres, I believe. I believe it's 276 acres. A lot of timber. A lot of timber. A lot of money. We'll get that cut up in the lumber. Well, take care. God bless, and I just want you to know this is a for real deal. We got 2 or 3, maybe $4 or $5 million worth of lumber in here to cut. So take care and God bless.